Hello, thank you for watching. If you could subscribe or leave a like or leave a comment, I'd appreciate it very much. Thank you very much for watching. So today now we have this Kuhn mower. The main sort of pivot on the headstock there is broken off.
Well, some of them are built so the front doesn't fall off at all.
Well, wasn't this built so the front wouldn't fall off?
Well, obviously not.
How do you know?
Well, because the front fell off.
So I'm going to take off the tin work on top to see if we can get access into it and get this rod off, etc. Get the strap off, you know, whatever. Then I'll take a grinder and prep the edges for V and back. And then I'll probably have to find a big bolt and a bit of plate with a hole in it. Tack both of them on and try to clamp it back together, you know. So that's what's on then. So we'll go at it now to prep it. So that's it all ground back. Made a good chamfer on both sides. When you pull it back together, it'll have a big V then to fill up a weld, and the weld will be the same thickness as the metal itself then. I put some cardboard down to catch all the sparks there and cover a bit of a ramrod there. You can see all the sort of grinding shavings there now.